In this video, let's talk about a condenser microphone from the ALABS, which is the AC88 condenser microphone. This microphone is pretty good for vocals, acoustic, and electric instruments. Of course, you can also use this microphone for your podcasting, gaming, and streaming. This microphone has a cardioid pattern, an inch capsule with a low self-noise, and a proprietary custom mic preamp. Frequency range of this microphone is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Sensitivity of -42 dB. Maximum output is a positive 12.3 dBu. Dynamic range 127 dB. Maximum SPL of 117 dB. And this microphone weighs 341 grams. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let me show you what the package comes with when you get this AC88 condenser microphone from the ALABS Audio. And here it is. This is outside the box. Nothing much at the bottom and to the side. So let's remove this first layer on here. Okay, there it is. And now let's open it from here. Here you go. First, you will get this pouch for the microphone. And you will get this owner's manual. And also you will get this pop filter. And it does comes with this shock mount. And by the way, with this shock mount, there is an adapter here if you will be connecting this microphone using a boom arm. And for regular microphone stand, then you can remove this one here. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and this is, by the way, made of plastic, hard plastic. Okay, and this one here, let's see, this one is also made of plastic on here. Before I'll show you the microphone, maybe I'm going to show you first this one here. This is an XLR cable. The length is actually pretty decent. There it is. And finally, this is the microphone. And there it is. As I mentioned earlier, the weight for this microphone is 341 grams. For testing, I will be connecting this ALABS AC88 condenser microphone to this Mackie mixer, which is the Pro FX 6 V3 Plus. Okay, for the installations is very simple. As I mentioned earlier, this one has an adapter over there, so we don't need the adapter. I'm just gonna remove it because we will be connecting it to this one here. Otherwise, it will not fit. Here, we will connect this one to there. Okay, I think we're all good. Okay, and now I'm going to connect this pop filter. Okay, and now let's connect this microphone. So simply screw it in, something like that. And make sure the gold, like this one here, I'll show you, like that one right there is facing towards you. Like this one here is facing towards you. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna tighten it first from there and then tighten this pop filter. As I said, you can angle the pop filter as you like. Okay, and finally, let's connect this XLR cable. Very self-explanatory. Connect one into here. Make sure it clicks to ensure it's properly plugged in. And then the other end, we'll use mic 1 from this mixer. From here, whatever you're listening to, this is now the audio output, connecting this ALABS AC88 condenser microphone to this Mackie mixer, the Pro FX6 V3 Plus. From here, whatever you're listening to, this is pretty flat without any effects I've added from this mixer. If you're a vocalist, the suggested distance from this microphone is 6 inches away, so pretty much something like that. First test we will do is a tap test. I will simply be tapping this table, including the stand and the shuck mount. I'm sure you're not supposed to be doing that while you're doing your recording, streaming, or gaming. However, we will just have to check how it handles those noise if in case you accidentally touch the parts of this microphone, maybe the stand or the shuck mount or the table. Okay, so first I'll be tapping this table. Okay, and now the stand. And this one here. Okay, and now the shuck mount. And now the microphone itself. There you go. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, this kind of microphone is a cardioid pattern, so that means it will pick up your voice from the front, from this front of your microphone. Okay, so now let's do the proximity test. So again, from here, I am 6 inches away from the microphone, and I'm going to move closer to the microphone. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to move away from the microphone. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, sound check, testing 1, 2, and I'm going to move to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, sound check. And I'm going to move to the other side, sound check, testing 1, 2, and now I'm going to turn this microphone. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty much talking to the back of the microphone this time as I turn it to the other side. Okay, and so again, now is from this side, sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now from the front side, sound check, testing 1, 2, and from the other side of this microphone, sound check, testing 1, 2. Anyway, that's going to be the audio output. So as you notice, it does pick up your voice really good at the front of this microphone. So now let's do some plosive test. I'm hoping that you will notice the difference with and without this pop filter. So first, with this pop filter, pop, pizza, pepperoni. Pop, pizza, pepperoni. With this pop filter, pop, pizza, pepperoni. Okay, so this time I'm going to remove this pop filter. Okay, so at this time without a pop filter, pop, pizza, pepperoni, pop, pizza, pepperoni. Again, without this pop filter, pop, pizza, pepperoni. I hope you notice the difference. It does make a lot better audio, having those P sounds with this pop filter being in here. Next test we will do is a keyboard test. Okay, so this is a mechanical keyboard, which does makes a lot of noise. Condenser microphone does pick up little noises, so I presume it should pick up the noise of this keyboard. Okay, there you go. Okay, and if I'm going to move it maybe over here, I can hear that really loud. There you go. Anyway, that is just to show you that that's how loud it is using this kind of keyboard, because as I said, this is a mechanical keyboard which produces more sounds or more noise than a different kind of keyboard. And from here, let's do a test playing this acoustic guitar. Heads up for you, I don't really know how to play guitar. I just know a few chords, but I don't really know how to play a song. Okay, so just bear with me. Hopefully you just get the idea what's the audio like if you will be playing an acoustic guitar. As suggested, it has to be 30 to 20 centimeters from this part here to your microphone. Anyway, I hope you get the idea as to what would be the audio output if you will be playing an acoustic guitar using this kind of microphone. From here, let me give you a short singing sample as if you are recording a song using this kind of microphone, the ALABS AC88 Condenser microphone. I'll be using a YouTube karaoke song from here. I'm just going to be adding maybe some compressor and effects to my voice at this time. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. And there you go. That should be your audio output if you will be recording a song using this AC88 condenser microphone from the ALABS Audio. And that is all I can share for today. I hope this video gives you now an idea as to what would be the audio output if you will be maybe purchasing this kind of a condenser microphone. And by the way, I want to thank ALABS for sending me this microphone for testing or review. And in my opinion, I think it's really good. It's super clean, and mind you, it will also depends as to where you will be connecting this one. Some factors to consider as to what audio interface or mixer you will be connecting the microphone. It does affect also to your audio output. It's not only the microphone. I should say it goes together, the microphone and the audio mixer. You will be connecting this kind of a microphone. And if you're interested in getting one of this kind of microphone, I'll be adding a link under the description below. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like. And if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.